Ever bit into a fruit and thought, wow, where has this been all my life? Or maybe you've wandered through grocery aisles, wondering if those strange-looking fruits are worth a try. Well, wonder no more. Today we're diving into the world of exotic fruits that you absolutely need to try. If you're a fruit lover or a curious eater, you're in for a treat. And hey, if you love discovering new and exciting things, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Number 5. Salak. First on our list is salak, also known as snake fruit, due to its reddish-brown scaly skin. Originating from Indonesia, this fruit offers a crispy texture and a sweet, tangy flavor. But why should you try it? Well, salak is not just a burst of taste, it's packed with nutrients like potassium and fiber, making it a healthy snack. Ever imagined eating something that feels like an apple but tastes like a pineapple? That's salak for you. Number 4. Mangosteen. Next up, we have the mangosteen, dubbed as the queen of fruits. Hailing from Southeast Asia, this purple delight hides juicy, sweet segments under its tough exterior. Bursting into a flavor symphony, it's no wonder why mangosteen is loved by many. And the perks? This fruit is a powerhouse of antioxidants, promoting a healthy immune system. Have you ever wanted a snack that's as healthy as it's indulgent? Mangosteen is your answer. Number 3. Rambutan. Meet rambutan, a fruit that resembles a hairy lychee. Originating from the Malay-Indonesian region, peel back the hairy exterior and you're greeted with a translucent, juicy flesh that's both sweet and tart. Why is rambutan a must-try? Besides its distinctive taste, it's loaded with vitamin C, keeping your skin glowing and your immune system in check. Ever wished for a fruit that's as fun to eat as it's nourishing? Say hello to rambutan. Number 2. Jabuticaba. Journeying to South America, we find jabuticaba, a fruit that grows directly on the trunk of its tree, earning it the nickname the Brazilian grape tree. With a sweet, tart flavor resembling grapes and berries, jabuticaba is a flavorful experience, but there's more. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, the fruit is a health enthusiast's dream. Craving a unique berry adventure with added health benefits? Jabuticaba is calling. Number 1. Buddha's Hand. Last but certainly not least is Buddha's Hand. This citrus fruit, originating from Asia, is known for its finger-like segments and intense lemon fragrance. While it's not typically eaten raw, its zest and aromatic oils makes it a fantastic addition to desserts and cocktails. Searching for a fruit that's as aromatic as it is versatile? Buddha's Hand is a culinary treasure waiting to be explored. And there you have it, Fruit Explorers, 5 exotic fruits that are a feast for the senses and a boon for your body. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this taste travel experience, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more flavorful adventures. Until next time, and I hope you keep exploring the world to delight your taste buds.